Greetings. Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope you had a lovely weekend. It's so awesome to see summer is really here. I hope you had a chance to be out in the sun and soak some of that up. And it's another glorious day today too. So here we are coming in for our weekly check-in to see what can we focus on letting go of. And this is my letting go guidance system. And if you're here live, say hi. Or if you're watching the recording, any questions or anything that you want to get some more clarity on, just pop in the comments below. But what I've been doing with you is the idea of this system is that we all have layers of things, like beliefs and thoughts and habits or patterns that are kind of dampening our sense of thriving, our sense of connecting with who we truly are from our core, from our soul. So what this idea is for us to just pause, take a wee moment and check in, come into this present moment, take a nice deep breath. And as we're doing this, we just park anything on any of your to-dos or what you've got to get done this week. And we're just taking a wee nice moment here to breathe and come fully into this moment. And perhaps you could even ask the question, what's holding me back? Or what can I let go of in order to more fully align with my calling, bringing my unique brand or my flavor? What can I let go of in order to more fully be that? Be that for you and for the rest of this world. I really believe that all of us have a unique piece, a unique gift that it's our responsibility to shine it, to bring it, and it's for the benefit of everyone on this planet. So that's a big one. And I think that part of it, because June is a really powerful month where we're really up leveling our game and our connection to our own higher self. If you've been watching my Facebook Lives, I talked a lot about the energy of 2019 being a 3 energy from a numerology point of view. It's a 3 energy. So it's the Trinity. It's our Trinity, right? So this is all about head, heart, and higher self. And we're really feeling it in this month of June, that where you're getting the guidance. The guidance is getting stronger. The messages are getting stronger. So that's what this is too, is we're going to let go of things that are maybe blocking you hearing what it is your higher self is gifting you with or steering you, and also hearing from your heart. Your higher self communicates to your heart, which is why it's so very important to take a breath and come into your heart energy. What would love do? What would your heart have you do or be in this moment? And so, having said all of that, let's see what comes up, what we're going to focus on letting go of this week. And so, what we're going to focus on letting go of is conflict. So, this very interesting card to come up based on what I was just kind of riffing on about the head, heart, and higher self. So, we listen to our head because sometimes there's conflict in that, right? Sometimes there's conflict in your head says, I should do this. That's a sign right away that there's a conflict between what's your heart really saying? What's your higher self whispering into your ear? So see where that comes up, where you have a sense of, maybe there's a sense of worry about, I better do it this way, or I have to do something this in a specific way, or worrying about cash flow or abundance, or worrying about a project or a job or a relationship. Or also too, is there conflict in that you're getting knocked out of the present moment because you're thinking things will be better when, I'll be happier or calmer or in balance or in harmony when I achieve a specific outcome. I attract that relationship, or I create a new cash flow, or things like that. So those are all conflict from really staying in the present moment, right? Really aligning. And it's when we stay in the present moment, some people call that 0 point. 0 point is you're not going on to the negative end where there's worry and fears and what ifs and woulda, coulda, shouldas. But you're also not going to the positive end, because sometimes that's knocking us out of the present moment too, where we're saying, oh, it's going to be great up there, but it's not right here. So right here, there's a sense of peace. There's a sense of all is well, and we can resolve that sense of conflict. So just watch your patterns, watch what comes up. And I'm going to look it up in the book that I've written to go with this system, and see, like, sit with that, because maybe conflict brings up something completely different for you. That's just kind of how that felt for me. So I'm going to read this out and see if this brings up something more for you too. So the law of attraction states that whatever you focus upon increases. If you focus on a conflict or an offense from someone, the anger and resentment increases. If you focus instead on trying to understand yourself and the other person, your wisdom and understanding will increase. You're being encouraged to let go and walk away from a situation that's causing some kind of conflict in your life. So just be aware, have a look, see where is that coming up. And know that walking away from this situation is not a sign of weakness. It is actually a sign of inner strength. By letting go, you allow new possibilities and opportunities to open up for you. I really love the energy of that, for what I was just saying to you about the energy of June, where we're really stepping more into allowing the higher self and the heart energy to guide us and to be the wisdom, or the GPS system for what choices, say, what do you say yes to and what do you say no to. So see how that comes up for you this week. What is the conflict within in inner dialogue? Is the conflict in relationships? Inner relationships, outer relationships. The different circles that we have. You have your intimate relationships, and then you have your professional relationships. You have acquaintances. Sometimes there's repeats of conflict in all of those circles. But also to come back to, sometimes that conflict is just literally a mirror of something that's going on for you. And so do you need to step more into sacred self-care, things like that. So see how that works. I'm just shuffling Doreen Virtue's angel cards here, because I like to draw 3 of the cards from this deck, because they will always give us a little bit of insight and maybe some comfort, maybe some new ideas on how to let go of conflict. So this is beautiful. The first card is power. When you let go of conflict, then you actually unleash your power, your inner power. So remember I said about your job, if you like, your purpose is to get clear on what is it that's unique about you. What's your gift? What's your voice? What's your flavor? What's the thing that you absolutely love to do? And that's where your power is. That's where you bring that in, and then start to have a sense of enchantment. Because when we get into flow of doing the things that we absolutely love, that in our own unique special way, that's when then life just flows, and we really feel connected from that head, heart, and higher self aspect. And it also allows the support, because when we find our aligned piece, right, from what are we here to create and be and do, then it's like it gives every people around you the permission, if you like, to do the same thing. But it also opens you up to your own guidance from the universe, from your guides, your, like, however you see that, if it's a sense of presence, source energy, God, angels, however you see that. But you are supported and beloved beyond any kind of measure than you've ever thought of. So by letting go of conflict, you can step fully into that. So this is an auspicious week. This is the first full week of summer. I wish you an amazing week. And thank you so much for watching. Any questions or comments, or if I can help you get clear on what is that conflict, then either direct message me or pop a comment in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.